Brand new to our inventory here at Myers Automall in Daphne, Alabama. We have this 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ Redline Edition pickup. On the outside, we have heated and power door mirrors with turn signal indicators, a spray-in bed liner, and 20-inch black wheels with red accents. Inside, you'll find comfortable leather seating for 5 with heated front seats, remote start, and auto-dimming rearview mirror. The 8-inch LCD touchscreen display has Bluetooth technology to keep you connected on the go. This one-owner 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 has less than 44,000 miles, and it comes with a Carfax buyback guarantee. Give Myers Automall a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.chrismyers.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.